In this video, you will find out how to sell cryptocurrencies on Kriptomat. Log into your Kriptomat account and go to the Buy Sell section. Now click on the Sell tab. Here, you can see a drop-down list of available cryptocurrencies. In this example, we will be selling Bitcoin, so we select Bitcoin. Then, enter the amount that you want to sell, either in euros or in Bitcoin. For example, if you want to sell 100 euros worth of Bitcoin, the system will automatically calculate how much Bitcoin you will sell. When you are ready, click Sell Bitcoin. Here, you can see the amount of Bitcoin you are selling. You also see the current Bitcoin price and transaction fee. Please note the amount in euros you will receive might slightly vary from the amount displayed here. To complete the sale, you will have to click the Confirm Transaction button. This action is final and cannot be reversed. You can cancel the transaction by clicking the Cancel Transaction link. To continue, click Confirm Transaction. The system will confirm the sale and automatically redirect you to the My Wallet section after a couple of seconds. On the right-hand side, you can see the transaction you just made. The transaction is still pending. Usually transactions are complete within a couple of minutes, but please note that it can sometimes take more time. Click on the transaction to see more details. We can see the status of the transaction, the exact price at the moment of sale, time of the transaction, the fees, and the total amount received. And that's it! You have now successfully sold Bitcoin.